Welcome to Channel Trading. I want to make a video that shows all the indicators and talks about what charts I use, what's the time that I use, and also talk about various things that I use on my charts for when I discuss my day-to-day strategies and topics and how I trade. So today, just to quickly go over, I'm using Thinkorswim platform. You can use any platform because I'm using the time charts, and I'm using 2-minute chart. So every candle here is 2 minutes. And the lines that I have on this are the dotted black line is yesterday's close. So I'm using E-mini S&P, and it's on a 23-hour cycle. Closes yesterday at 5, opens at 6 p.m. and goes around the clock and closes again at 5 p.m. So this black line is what happened yesterday close, and then that's the close of yesterday, and then the dotted pink line are the pivots. I use daily and weekly pivots. I use everything, all supports and resistance on each of those pivots. And the pink line here is the VWAP, volume weighted average price. Okay, and this is the moving average. It's an exponential moving average, 21 period, and I have these other ones that I normally have on my charts. That's I have these vertical lines drawn, and I have 6 of these lines drawn in a cycle on a daily basis. Each one is I'm on the East Coast time. They're 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9:30, 10:30, 1, and 3 p.m. And I'm going to put all of this in the description also, so you don't have to make a note or anything. But I just want to give you those. And what do I do with these lines? These lines are just giving me a very quick look at what I'm doing. To identify the candle that is right after the 3 o'clock. So 3 to 3:02 is where I encompass this channel. Same thing at 8 o'clock, I do the same thing, and same thing at 9:30, 10:30, 1, and 3. Okay, this is my setup. And as you can see in my other videos, I talk about strategies. My whole goal for this channel is to have objective entries. A lot of people talk about where to enter and all that, but no one tells you when to enter. And I want to talk about when to enter. So when actually one should enter. People talk about, oh yeah, once you hit this, I want you to enter. But you can enter here and take a loss, and a lot of things happen there. And what I exclusively want to focus on this channel is primarily to say, hey, I know I've identified my support or resistance or whatever the trigger that I'm using, but when should I enter? And as you can see, it will tell you exactly when to enter from my other videos. And that my goal is to make it a least risky way to become profitable. I mean, you'll always have risks, but the least risky way of becoming profitable and be successful in day trading. And I assure you can be profitable. Just you need to absolutely have discipline to control your losses. Okay, but that for the next videos and all that. So this is my overall entries. The chart and how the indicators look on my chart. Okay, thank you, and hope to talk to you soon in the next